Say hello to Nero Platinum 2024. We'll introduce 15 feature updates. First, we present you the brand new Nero Screen Recorder. Record your screen up to 4000 resolution with 30 frames per second. Record any sound of your PC and your voiceover to get your video ready in one go. Nero AI Image Upscaler is now connected to the Nero Online AI. Reduce your hardware burden with Nero's powerful GDPR-compliant data center in Germany and explore our new models. Nero Motion Tracker is now standalone. It introduces auto-face tracking for video creation. Visit Nero AI website to upscale, colorize, restore, and compress photos online. We also provide PDF tools. Nero PhotoSnap adds LUT support, an advanced text editor, and clip art library for image customization. Nero Video facilitates sharing templates for collaborative video editing and offers updates to trending templates. Nero Recode extends subtitle support and compatibility with various formats. Nero Platinum 2024 will be released in November. We promise enhanced creative capabilities for users seeking improved photo and video editing.